Tired of tossing your food scraps into the regular trash and feeling that familiar wave of eco-guilt? Today, we are turning your everyday kitchen waste into absolute garden gold. I'm going to break down the top 7 compost bins available right now, leading up to my absolute favorite that completely revolutionized how I handle my household waste. Stick around until the end, because the number 1 spot is an absolute game changer that you definitely do not want to miss. 7. LALASTAR Compost Bin. This is a compact plastic bin designed primarily for indoor kitchen use, specifically aiming to save counter space by hanging over your cabinet doors. When I first installed it, I appreciated the concept of having a bin tucked away right under the prep counter where I chop my vegetables. It features a 2-way opening lid, which allows you to either flip it up traditionally or slide it down to quickly scrape off your cutting board. The sliding mechanism felt relatively smooth during the first few days of use, and the included scraper was a nice touch for keeping my hands clean. It seemed like a convenient little setup for someone with a very small apartment who wanted to dabble in saving scraps. However, after a couple of weeks of daily testing, the build quality started to show its true colors. The plastic used for the main body and the hanging hook feels noticeably flimsy, and when the bin is completely full of heavy, wet scraps like melon rinds or coffee grounds, the hook bows significantly under the pressure. I constantly worried it was going to snap and send rotting food all over my kitchen floor. Another major issue I encountered was the odor control, or rather, the complete lack thereof. While it claims to be an odorless design, the lid does not create a tight seal whatsoever against the rim of the bin. By day 3 of a compost cycle, the smell of decaying onions and fruit began to leak out into the kitchen, quickly followed by a frustrating infestation of fruit flies that managed to easily slip through the tiny plastic gaps. Six. Mbillion MB-6601 8LMT. This one steps away from the hanging plastic design and goes for a sleek stainless steel aesthetic that mimics a traditional high-end bathroom or kitchen trash can. It features a step pedal mechanism, which I was initially excited about because having hands-free access when your hands are covered in wet vegetable peelings is a huge advantage. The outer shell definitely looks much nicer sitting on a kitchen floor than a standard plastic bucket, and the 8-liter capacity is a decent, manageable size for a couple or a single person generating a moderate amount of daily waste. It also comes with a removable plastic inner bucket that features a metal handle intended to make the trip out to your main outdoor compost pile a lot easier and much more hygienic. Unfortunately, the premium look does not actually translate into premium performance. The step pedal mechanism feels incredibly stiff and jerky right out of the box. During my testing, pressing the pedal often caused the entire lightweight bin to slide backward across my kitchen tiles unless it was pushed firmly against a wall. The lid also has an annoying habit of slamming shut rather loudly instead of utilizing a soft close hinge. Furthermore, the brushed stainless steel exterior is an absolute magnet for fingerprints, smudges, and water spots, meaning it requires constant wiping down with a microfiber cloth to maintain that sleek look. To make matters worse, I found that wet scraps easily slip between the inner plastic bucket and the outer metal shell during loading, creating a hard-to-reach, foul-smelling mess at the bottom of the can that was a complete nightmare to clean out. FICO EK9008. This is where we start seeing some real improvements in functionality and thoughtful design. This is another indoor kitchen caddy, but it tackles the persistent problems of earlier models with a much smarter approach. Right out of the box, the build quality feels substantial, utilizing a high-grade, durable plastic that doesn't bend, flex, or warp under pressure. What really sets the Eco EK9008 apart from the competition is its intense focus on odor containment. The lid features a very thick, high-quality silicone seal that completely locks in smells once it is snapped securely shut. I tested this by leaving pungent broccoli stems and old garlic in the bin for 4 days, and I couldn't smell a single thing when standing right next to it on the counter. I also love the way the engineers designed the internal framework. It has a removable inner bucket, much like the previous model, but the fit is perfectly snug against the rim, meaning absolutely zero scraps or liquids can leak down into the outer shell. The handle on the inner bucket is sturdy and comfortably shaped, making the dreaded walk to the outdoor compost pile surprisingly pleasant and entirely mess-free. Aesthetically, it hits the absolute sweet spot for a modern home. It doesn't look like a standard trash can, but rather a modern, minimalist appliance that blends right into a contemporary kitchen setup without drawing unwanted attention. The exterior surface has a beautiful matte finish that completely resists fingerprints and smudges, which was a huge relief after dealing with the constant upkeep of the stainless steel models. The Eco EK9008 is a fantastic option if you are strictly looking for a reliable indoor collection bin to hold your scraps before transferring them outdoors. 4. VIVOSUN Outdoor Tumbling Composter. If you are ready to actually start making your own compost rather than just collecting kitchen scraps, a tumbler is absolutely the way to go. This model features a dual-chamber design, which is absolutely brilliant for continuous composting, allowing you to fill one side with fresh waste while the other side cures into soil. The tumbling action is what makes this specific unit truly shine. Instead of breaking your back with a pitchfork trying to manually turn a heavy, traditional ground compost pile, this bin sits on a sturdy metal frame and rotates on a center axis. I found the turning mechanism to be quite smooth and manageable, even when both chambers were loaded down with heavy grass clippings and wet kitchen waste. Aeration is the most critical factor for good compost, and VIVOSUN has incorporated adjustable air vents on the sliding doors, along with deep fins on the inside that help break up the clumps as you spin the barrel. Within just a few weeks of testing during the summer, I could see my organic mixture breaking down significantly faster than it ever did in my old stationary wooden bin. While the overall performance is stellar, I do have to mention the initial assembly process. It arrives in quite a few separate pieces, and putting together the multitude of interlocking panels and tiny screws took me about an hour of focused, somewhat frustrating work. However, once it is fully assembled, the structure feels incredibly solid and wholly capable of withstanding heavy winds and harsh outdoor weather. Overall, the VIVOSUN Tumbling Composter offers incredible value for ambitious backyard gardeners. 3. Miracle-Gro LEPPUSASHME3397. Do not let the word small in the product name fool you. This single-chamber tumbling composter boasts an impressive capacity that can easily handle the daily yard and kitchen waste of an average-sized suburban household. The build quality on the Miracle-Gro composter is simply outstanding from top to bottom. The main plastic barrel is thick, fully UV protected, and designed with a dark color to absorb heat from the sun, which is a crucial factor in accelerating the microbial breakdown of your organic matter. During my testing period, the internal temperature of this bin stayed consistently high, turning my scraps into rich, dark compost in record time. Inside the barrel, it features heavy-duty mixing bars that act like aggressive internal paddles. When you grab the grooves and rotate the bin, these bars aggressively churn and toss the contents, preventing that dreaded sludgy buildup at the bottom and ensuring fresh oxygen reaches every single inch of the pile. This specific mechanism resulted in some of the most evenly textured compost I have ever produced. The stand is constructed from a heavy-duty, powder-coated steel frame that provides rock-solid stability on any surface. Even when the barrel was completely maxed out with heavy, wet autumn leaves and dense soil, the frame didn't wobble, creak, or flex in the slightest when I went to spin it. The sliding door mechanism is also wide and easy to manipulate, making loading bulky yard waste a complete breeze. Miracle-Gro has clearly put their decades of gardening expertise into this design, and it absolutely shows in the final product. It is wildly robust, incredibly fast at producing usable compost, and built tough enough to survive years exposed to the elements. 2. THEGROW'ING GS18222OG. This is an absolute beast of a machine specifically designed for serious gardeners who generate a significant amount of organic waste every single week. It features an extra-large dual-chamber system that allows for maximum continuous output, making it perfect for larger properties with lots of landscaping debris. What truly blew me away during my testing was the highly innovative gear-driven rotation system. Usually, large-capacity tumblers become incredibly difficult to spin once they are entirely full, requiring a lot of raw upper body strength. However, the growing composter utilizes a geared crank handle that gives you a massive mechanical advantage, allowing you to effortlessly turn hundreds of pounds of compost with just one hand. The loading doors on this model are heavily reinforced and feature incredibly secure latches that completely lock out curious pests. I live in a wooded area with a lot of raccoons and rodents, and not a single critter managed to break into this bin during my testing. The structural panels are thick and very well insulated, retaining the intense core heat necessary for breaking down tougher materials like thick branches and cardboard. The aeration system is exceptionally well engineered, with multiple strategically placed vents that actively draw in fresh air from the bottom and expel hot, stagnant gases from the top. This constant, engineered airflow meant my compost never developed that sour, nasty anaerobic smell that can sometimes plague lesser bins. It smelled wonderfully earthy and fresh throughout the entire decomposition process. The growing GS180220G is an absolute masterclass in high-end compost bin engineering. The effortless geared turning, massive storage capacity, and impenetrable pest-proof design make it a genuine joy to use every single day. 1. Marcytop MPCB02. After months of testing different models dealing with smells, pests, and broken parts, this is the one that permanently earned a spot in my own backyard. It manages to take the absolute best features of every other composter on this list, refines them beautifully, and packages them into an absolutely flawless design. The Marcytop excels immediately right out of the box with an incredibly intuitive, snap-together assembly process that took me less than 20 minutes to completely finish, without needing a single hand tool. Yet, despite the ease of assembly, the interlocking panels create a watertight, ultra-rigid structure that feels like it could easily survive an earthquake without dropping a single piece of dirt. Its dual-chamber system is perfectly sized, large enough to hold a substantial amount of organic waste, but compact enough not to completely dominate your patio or garden space. The internal geometry features highly specialized tumbling fins that don't just push the compost around, but actually fold it over onto itself repeatedly, maximizing critical oxygen exposure. This resulted in the fastest, most beautiful black compost I have ever laid my eyes on. The absolute standout feature is the oversized, smoothly sliding doors, combined with an extra-wide opening at the base. When it came time to empty the finished cured compost, I could easily fit my entire wheelbarrow right underneath the main barrel. I simply rotated it downward, slid the secure door open, and the perfect, loamy soil dumped right out without me having to scoop or scrape anything by hand. From the effortless balanced rotation and perfect airflow to the tool-free assembly and unmatched convenience of unloading, the Marcytop MPCB02 simply has no equal on the market right now. It transforms the often tedious composting process into something not just incredibly easy, but genuinely enjoyable.